Hello everyone, this video is in continuation to our videos on biomolecules for grade 11th. We were talking about the different molecules. In last video we had discussed about DNA. In this video we'll talk about the ATP molecule, adenosine triphosphate. Fine, and then we'll start with enzymes from our next video. ATP, we all know the full form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. We all know it is the energy currency of cell. That means it provides immediate energy to the cell. Now when we talk about this molecule, it is a nucleotide. It has, but there is one change which we see. As per it, the structure remains the same, the basic skeletal structure. So we'll have a nucleotide has a sugar, a pentose sugar. There'll be a pentose. The marker is not working, I'm so sorry. So a pentose sugar, then what is there in a nucleotide? A pentose sugar, nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base is there, and we have phosphate group. We have phosphate group. So what is the change here? What is the change which we observe? Pentose sugar is a ribose sugar. Fine. Nitrogenous base is the same, adenine, guanine, cytosine and all. Phosphate group, there are 3 phosphate groups attached. In a nucleotide we have 1, but here we have 3 because it is a triphosphate molecule. There are 3 phosphate groups attached. Now if we make the structure of an ATP molecule, it's a pentose sugar, so the cycle or the cyclic structure will be like this. Then we have the attachments. We have starting from carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is the, or if we write it like this is the 5th carbon where we have. Now at 2 carbon H and OH, at 3 carbon H and OH. Where is the phosphate group? Nitrogenous base also is there, so we will make our nitrogenous base. Fine, I'll write NB here. It can be any adenine, guanine and all. And we have the phosphate groups. How many? 3. So first phosphate group, second and third. Actually I need some space here. Chalo koi baat nahi. Third. Now you can see a change here. I'll make it this side. We have this phosphate and this phosphate here at the 5th prime, or the 1st carbon. First phosphate, then we have the 2nd, and then we have the 3rd. Here, like this. If you see clearly, this is a bond which shows that these bonds are very easy to break and they will break. Whereas this bond, which is in the form of a straight line, shows that it is a strong bond, it's not going to break. Fine. So when the energy is released, how is the energy released? When the energy is released, the bond between 3rd and 2nd phosphate and 2nd and 1st phosphate will break. When the bond between 2nd and 3rd phosphate breaks, it releases 8.15 kilocalorie per mole of energy per molecule. Fine, 8.5 kilocalories. Which bond is breaking here? 3rd and 2nd, between 3rd and 2nd phosphate group. Next, when the other one breaks, the energy released is 6.5 kilocalories per molecule. And where is which bond is breaking here? 2nd and 1st phosphate. So the energy released, these phosphate molecules tend to break and release energy. We have these three, 1, 2 and 3. इन्हीं को यहाँ पे लिख के I have explained. So this sign shows that the bond can easily be broken, and when the bond between third and second phosphate breaks, it releases 8.15 kilocalories, and when second and first breaks, it releases 6.5 kilocalories of energy. And this is how the ATP molecules, it provide energy to the, during whatever process is going on. In that process, the energy is released. Fine. Next is, how is that conversion taking place? How does that ATP molecule, in a process when ATP has to be utilized, this ATP needs to be converted into ADP, and then this ADP finally forms ATP. This is how the cycle goes. So when this is forming, energy is released, and the pi molecule is also, one pi molecule is also released. Why? Because this is diphosphate, 2-phosphate. This is triphosphate, 3-phosphate. And when from ATP has to form, obviously there is moving in of pi molecule and moving in of energy, or you can say requirement. So this is how the conversion of ATP molecule takes place. Now this is the what do you need to learn here? The molecule of ATP, the structure. This very, very important. When the breakage happens, when the phosphate molecules break, what energy is released, how much energy is released, and with which phosphate molecules, between which phosphate molecules, and this how the conversion takes place. This is all about ATP molecules. In our next video, we'll talk about enzymes, the last and very, very important topic of the chapter biomolecules. I have made a series of videos for enzymes, so that it's very, very clear to you. So we'll start with enzymes. Keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.